Hi friends, we're now in Pune, India, doing a special series at Spicer University called Living Above the Crowd. We had our first presentation tonight, and there were hundreds of young people that were there that had come from all over the country, many visitors from the community. Some came from Chennai, hundreds of miles away, the mountains in the north, and I wish I could put you all in my pocket and take you with me on these trips, and you could see what happens, and you could see and hear the testimonies of lives that have been transformed by the power of the Word. So many said, we've been watching the Amazing Facts videos, we've been watching the programs, we've been reading the lessons. I came to the Lord, I came back to the Lord, just one testimony after the other. Tomorrow we're expecting a full house as we do our final presentations here in India, and then we're off to the United Arab Emirates in Dubai. Thank you so much for making this possible, and please continue to pray for the ministry that lives are going to be transformed for eternity because of the power of Jesus' Word.